Hi, I am Aarush. So today I have made 9 recipes and the first one I made is idli. So this is tuyamali poha idli. Looks tasty. And this is millet kurkate. It's called as modak and over here we call it as kurkate. And this is black rice sweet kurkate. Again 2 modak. And this is banana flour vada. So these are the 3 chutneys I have made. So the first one, turmeric. This is turmeric chutney. This is coconut chutney. And amla chutney. And I'm using a bowl for sambar. So this sambar is called as Rich Guard sambar. And this is badam gum pudding. It's a sweet dish.